Hey dudes, how you doing? I'm gonna just check out these protectors real quick. Second generation. Here's the first set that I tried out on my truck. I just painted them chrome, actually. Paint actually held up pretty good, believe it or not. And but here's what I'm talking about on the with the blue ones and black. I got the black ones over there. We're changing out this screw. I'll drill this hole right here for those guys that have already had a set. We'll use that screw that was recessed in here for the sway bar, and that becomes a 20mm screw. And I got a bunch of those. And then this other one is just like a 10. It barely protrudes through the and that was an existing hole that I had, so I used it. Personally, I would go, I would move that hole up right to that joint of that gusset in the plate. That's where I think the second hole should go. Now, on future sets, on a new install, that's where I'm going to move this hole is going to be to the right about maybe 1/4 of an inch. But like I say, I already had a hole drilled too, so I did the same thing. I just lined up my holes. So no matter what, that hole will be drilled so that this thing's sitting right down, you know, as close as you can get to the end. And I mean, that's that. Just with the two, I mean, these two, they're not going anyways. I mean, I could grab the truck and lift it by those if I could keep my hands on it and lift it. Yeah, they're sweet. They come out nice. I think the blue looks good. And then just a little sidebar note. I mean, that's all there is to it on these. I can send that 20mm screw if you need it. I got a bunch of them. But I got a question, a little sidebar for a second here. I did this wheel up with just those rings, right? And I noticed it was wet. And that big puddle on the floor right there was, these were soaked. And I noticed that, is there any reason that you guys know of why there's no hole, a couple of weeps drilled in these wheels? Because normally, like on all my other tires, there's always a weep hole. I didn't know if there was a reason. There wasn't, but if you could have seen how much water, I mean, I was wringing these out. And then I've had the dryer there blowing on them, and I can still get some water to come out of them. I'm gonna let them dry overnight, but Christ, they weighed 10 pounds, for Christ's sakes. But anyways, I was wondering your thoughts on that. I'm going chrome. Chrome and stainless steel. I don't know if you can see that or not, but so anyways, I don't know if you guys have had that issue. I'm gonna drill them. I don't see why we can't have a weep hole there. Better than all that water staying in. So that's the deal, yo. I mean, they really served it. They're, you know, full 4 inches, 2 inches up. They protected the joint perfect. Like I was out in the mud. I had this thing caked up with a full inch of frozen ice and mud. And you peek back in here, and that joint, that shaft was just as clean as it is right there. So they do their job. It's a good idea. So enough of that. I got a couple other projects, and I'm going to get another coat, to the finish coat on those black ones, and the blue ones are all set. I'm going to start, get them ready to go out tomorrow. So, alright, over and out from here, fellas. Busy day. Bashing out back all day. I ran everything today. I ran everything till I broke it. No, I didn't break much. But anyways, it was a good day of RC crisis. I got a sunburn. So, all right, dudes, we'll catch up with you later. Any questions on that thing? Let me know. All right, see ya.